Hello dear students, welcome to Biochemistry by Revati. I am Revati and in today's class we will continue the biological buffers and their physiological importance. If you want to know the basics of biological buffers, please watch the part 1 video. For that I will leave a link in the description below. Please go and check out. For now, we will begin the class. Now we will learn one of the most important buffer systems in our body, that is what? The bicarbonate buffer system. It helps us stay alive by controlling what again? Blood pH. So our body produces acid every second. If pH goes out of balance, even slightly, serious health problems can occur. So luckily we have a natural defense system, that is what? Bicarbonate buffer system. Let's see how it works in our body. Now let's see what is bicarbonate buffer system. Where it is found? It is found in blood plasma. Now what are the components present in it? Carbonic acid and bicarbonate ion. We have previously discussed that buffer, it is a combination of what? Weak acid and its conjugate base. So here carbonic acid is acting as a weak acid and bicarbonate ion is acting as a conjugate base. Now this bicarbonate buffer system works on the reversible reaction, that is carbon dioxide. It is produced through cellular metabolism. Now it reacts with water, which is present in blood plasma. Now carbon dioxide reacts with water to give rise to what? Carbonic acid. It is reversible, it goes either ways, and this carbonic acid again dissociates into H plus and bicarbonate ion. So here H plus is what? Hydrogen ions is the acid and bicarbonate ion is a base. So let's see what is the mechanism involved inside the body. Bicarbonate buffer system works with lungs and kidneys to control what? Blood pH. Now let's see how the mechanism works first in lungs. Now what is the role of lungs? They control the amount of carbon dioxide in the blood. Now when carbon dioxide increases, for example during exercise or lung disease, what will happen when more carbon dioxide is released? Again it reacts with or combines with water molecule to form what? Carbonic acid. If more carbonic acid is formed means what will happen? It leads to a condition called acidosis. Now in this condition the pH drops, means indicating low pH, means the pH will be less than 7.35. We have already know that what is the blood pH value, normal range 7.35 to 7.45. It should not be below 7.35 or not be above 7.45. So here in order to resist this change, what this bicarbonate buffer system does? Let's see. Here the lungs respond by increasing breathing. We call it as hyperventilation also. Ventilation. Through this, it exhales carbon dioxide or extra carbon dioxide. Exhales or releases. Right? If it is releasing extra carbon dioxide means the carbon dioxide level will be low. Means if less carbon dioxide is present means less acid is formed. If less acid is formed means pH goes up. What do you mean by pH goes up? It will not be above 7.45 but it returns to normal. pH returns to normal. So like this they act quickly within minutes. Now let's see in kidneys. They control both hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions directly. If the blood is too acidic, kidneys excrete H plus ions into the urine and they reabsorb bicarbonate ions back into the blood because to neutralize H plus ions. If the blood is too alkaline, they excrete bicarbonate ions. And they may retain H plus ions. Like this, even kidneys also act slowly, but the working mechanism is long lasting. Let's simplify with a small example. Imagine someone has climbed up the stairs very quickly. What will happen in the body? Muscles work hard. If muscles work hard means carbon dioxide is formed, means more carbon dioxide is formed. We have already seen that if more carbon dioxide is formed, this carbon dioxide which is dissolved in blood plasma it reacts with water to form carbonic acid. Again it is also more. Now this carbonic acid dissociates into H plus and bicarbonate ions. Now we have seen the acidic condition means more H plus ions are formed. More H plus ions are formed means the blood becomes slightly acidic. Now how lungs respond? Let's see. First they start breathing excessively, means by exhaling carbon dioxide, right? Increased breathing. Why the breathing is increased? To remove extra carbon dioxide that is produced in the blood, right? If that extra carbon dioxide has been released out of the blood means less acid, means the pH levels comes back to normal. Is it clear? In the same way, if you see, means if it continues for a long time, this we have seen in what? Lungs, right? In the same way, if it continues for a long time like a marathon, in that you see in kidneys, we've already seen, but again, what will happen? It excretes H plus ions and reabsorb what? Bicarbonate ions. This is the mechanism which works inside our body. That's all for today's video. I hope you have understood the video clearly or the concept clearly. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Biochemistry by Revati for more simple and clear explanations. In the next video, we will continue with another buffer system, that is phosphate buffer system. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next class.